Welcome to our quick guide on the artisgain.com Forex Pip Calculator, a key tool for smart trading. Today, we'll guide you through calculating the pip value in USD for various trading instruments. The Forex Pip Calculator is designed to help you manage your risk and understand the potential profit or loss from your trades. Let's dive into how you can leverage this tool to enhance your trading strategy. To start, you'll need to input the following: the number of pips, your trading instrument, for example, EUR/USD, the position size in lots, and the currency of your trading account, which in our case is USD. Remember, one standard lot in Forex pairs is equivalent to 100,000 units, called contract size. This tip is crucial for accurately setting your position size. Each trading instrument has a predefined pip size. For EUR/USD, the pip size is 0.0001. Now, let's discuss the formulas to calculate the pip value in USD. For pairs like EUR/USD, where USD is the quote currency, the formula is straightforward. Pip value in USD equals pips multiplied by pip size, position size in lots, and contract size. In cases where USD is the base currency, such as USD/JPY, you divide the product of pips, pip size, position size in lots, and contract size by the market price. For pairs without USD, like EUR/GBP, multiply the product of pips, pip size, position size in lots, and contract size by the market price of the corresponding USD pair, which in our case is GBP/USD. Lastly, for indices, metals, or other non-Forex instruments, the calculation remains the same as the first scenario. Let's run through a quick example using EUR/USD. Assuming you're trading 0.5 lots with a movement of 50 pips, let's calculate the pip value. By inputting these values into our formula, we can determine the pip value in USD, helping you assess the potential impact on your trading account. The Forex Pip Calculator is a powerful tool to help you make informed decisions by understanding the value of a pip in your trades. For more tips and tools, visit our website and enhance your trading strategy today. Trade smarter. Earn cash back. Visit artisgain.com for more details.